Mirka Half Mask Kit is a ready-to-use mask and comes with the A2 P3R filters already fitted. The bag that the kit comes in can also be used for storage for a clean and dry mask. The filters you can also buy separately to give the mask a longer lifetime. These we have two different versions of. A2 P3R Class 2 filters for protection against organic gases and vapors as well as dust. AB EK1 P3R Class 1 filters for protection against organic, inorganic and acid gases and vapors, ammonia, derivatives as well as dust. Now I will show you how to put your mask on, how to check if it's the right fit, how to attach the filters and how to clean the mask. On the filters you will find an arrow which you should align with the dot on the mask. Next to the dot you will find an arrow which shows which way to turn the filters to lock it in place. Then repeat the process on the other side. Start by putting the elastic bands around your neck and lock it in place. With one hand place the mask on your face and with the other hand put the harness on top of your head. Then adjust the elastic bands behind your neck and on top of your head. Check that the mask fits correctly. Cover the filters with your hands and inhale, then the mask should shrink towards your face. To take the mask off, unlock the buckle behind your neck and pull the mask down, whilst keeping the harness on your head. Then lift the harness to remove the mask. To clean the mask, start by detaching the filters in reverse order from how they were attached. Detach the mid-section the same way as you detach the filters. To remove the hard plastic part from the mask, start by pushing in the sides and then push in the middle part. Then you can remove the hard plastic from the mask itself, allowing you to clean the thermoplastical part with soap. Do not use any solvent-based cleaners. To clean the filter attachment, carefully remove the rubber sealings and then wash the attachment parts in the same way. When the mask is clean and dry, reassemble it in reverse order and put it away for storage until the next use. In the next episode we will take a look at our new safety gloves. Thank you for watching.